Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the widget system and confirming your OS is up to date. This avoids compatibility surprises. Once done, sign into the account that holds your widget preferences so settings and data sync. Next, pick a small set of widgets to test CPU and battery impact. That tells you whether to proceed with more. Make sure to note which widget processes appear in Task Manager so you can stop one if it misbehaves. You now add widgets and tailor them to your workflow. Open the widget panel, drag items onto the desktop or dock, and use resize handles to fit available space. Once placed, adjust each widget settings, grant location or calendar access only when needed, and configure update frequency to balance freshness versus battery. Group related widgets together so critical information is visible at a glance, and remove duplicates to reduce background updates and clutter. You finish by optimizing performance and handling problems quickly. Monitor resource use for a day. If a widget consumes too much CPU or battery, lower its refresh rate or remove it. If a widget freezes, reset or reinstall just that widget, clear its cache, and reauthorize permissions. That usually fixes corruption without drastic steps. If instability continues, boot into safe mode to check for app conflicts, and then re-enable widgets.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.